Hello, Vende enthusiasts. Welcome back to Vende Support Hub. Today we are diving into a super helpful feature, how to import customers in Vende. Now I remember when I first started using Vende, I found this customer management feature a game changer for my business. I spent hours adding customers one by one, but then it hit me. There had to be an easier way. That's when I discovered this import feature in Vende, and let me tell you, it was like finding a hidden treasure. So let's make life easier for you too. All set to streamline your customer management? Let's dive in.
First things first, we need to head over to the Customers tab in Vende. Once you're there, look for the Customers option. It's right at the top. Now click on Import Customers. When I click on it, a pop-up will appear saying Import Customers. This is where the magic happens. In this pop-up, you'll see an option to upload your customer file. If you don't have the file yet, don't worry. There's a handy link in the red that says Template. Let's hit that. This will download an Excel file with the fields we need to fill out. Here's the key field you'll want to include: the first name, the last name, email address, phone number, gender, date of birth, customer type. You can choose options like adult use, medical card, or etc. Then you need to put the address, the street 1, street 2, the city, zip code, state, address name, the passport number, weight, height, driver license number, customer group, add to queue or do not. Once you've filled all the required fields, save your file and go back to the import window. Click on the upload button, choose the file, submit it. Your customers are now imported into Vende.
How easy that was! Importing customers in Vende is quick and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below for more tips and tutorials and tricks on using Vende. If you have any questions or you want to share your own experience, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and happy importing. See you in the next video.